Hello everybody, this is Bronislava, your host for this project, which is going to be grouped into a playlist. So look for the playlist if you want to knit along. And I also do have a blog where you can go and find lots of free patterns, so you are most welcome to visit it. In this playlist you will see a video how to knit this particular cable. In the second video I will be talking about how to start this project, how to do the head opening, and how to finish it. In a third video you are going to learn how to attach sleeve, and I will just briefly talk about how to finish it as well. In the next video, fourth video, you are going to be learning how to crochet a half ball. It looks like a ball, but it's actually a half ball. So I will show you how to do that. In the video number 5, I will show you how to color these balls, and I will show you ideas how to attach them. Okay, so today we are going to be making those balls, or practically really half balls, okay? But then when you tie it to the sweater, it's going to look like a ball. So leave about a foot long tail, because you will need it for tying, okay? Then you will wrap the yarn around your fingers like that. Place your hook under these two strands and pull the yarn through it. Make 2 chains, 1 and 2. And now we will make around these 4 strands, we will make double crochet stitches, 7 of them, but we will not finish them. We will make it only halfway through, okay? So this is gonna be our first one. Yarn over, inside the magic loop, through the 4 or 2 actually, right? 2 loops, and leave it on. So that's 2, okay? And now make 5 more. Okay, so we have 4, 3 more. Make sure that you pull these loops high enough, okay? So they're about the same size. And 1 more. I think I should have taken a hook without the handle, because it doesn't want to fit in here. Okay, so now you should go and have 8 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because the first one is from the chain 2 stitches. Now we will pull yarn through all 8 loops, through all. And I have the nozzle, or you know, the beak facing down, so I can pull it through, right? And let's go and make 1 more, pull through, finish it up with the pulling through this loop over here and tighten it up, okay? And we're finished. Now what we will do is leave another about a foot long tail, so we can tie it together with this tail. Okay, now I have it ready to be tinted or colored. Okay, however, you can also tighten this and this. This one is already tightened, but this one as well, to make it into that half ball. Okay, and color it then. you see, and I put my finger inside so it kind of wraps around my finger, and we have half ball, and it looks like this. Now I am going to go, and we'll have to kind of do a voiceover my coloring, how I colored these. But I colored these when they were flat. But you can color these balls, these pieces, even when they are in a ball, just like this. Okay, it's your choice, whatever you want. And this is all I wanted to go and share with you for today. All right, don't forget, I have links below the video. Always click below the video. There are links that might be of interest to you. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment on my video. Share with your family and friends. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. And you will see me another day.